On the Concerts Brothers YouTube channel. Today we're picking up a new car.
Hi. What the fuck you doing?
So we're gonna have right now. See ya.
A motherfucking cat, brother. They're judging us. Give them to the Chinese.
You're going 100 miles per hour, dude. The feeling is cool. I can kill children if nobody gets the fuck out of me.
This fucking rain, bro!
Fuck! Am I there yet? No.
When we were watching Prisa Mike, shout out to Peter Mike, and it was just scrolling on Facebook Marketplace.
And I found out it's the same person who sold me my car, and it's my buddy.
Damn. And he was just scrolling on Facebook Marketplace, and then literally he found out this deal, and he said 9 hours ago or something, right?
Yeah, no, 8. It was 8 hours ago, it was in the morning, it was posted. Arquiteta?
Foda-se, mas que é assim tanta procura?
Mano, ela é bué da boa!
Já pensei, mas não sei. Tá, porque também já disseram que podia ser nos carros ou qualquer merda. Não, não, que dificilmente. Só se tivesse que dizer agora. O vídeo deixa. Que é um motor muito usado. Este aqui é fixe, pode controlar aqui. Pode quê? Pode controlar aqui entre o motor. Sim, sim, já. Tá, mas já tem que ser mandado. Mas dá, mas...
So this car is a 1.4 dual carb, as you can see. It comes with a 16 valve. It comes with a 5-speed manual, as you can see. And this has no AC, guys, so bear with me, but it comes with a cool stereo, so we're good. These windshield nuts, as you can see, are pretty loose, so let's tighten them. Guys, another day in the concerto journey. Today we're going to do a couple touches. Let's go. So we're going to use all of this shit. Let's go. Right guys, we're going to use this synthetic diluent to basically take this fucking imperfections here and it's going to wash the car, to vacuum the car. Guys, I just bought this wing this morning. Tell me what you think about it in the comments. I think it's going to look dope.
It's going to look shit.
Shut the fuck up. Let's go. He's vacuuming the car now.
His car, this comes off way better when he scrubs it. When my car is just, it's because it wasn't stickers, it was like symbols, you know, with glue. The glue comes way better with a synthetic product I have. My car, because it's a sticker, is being a pain in the ass to take off the side. Fuck. The symbols are being a pain in the ass to take off. His were like extremely easy.
Right guys, the batches are officially off. Let's clean the interior now.
This guy, he was doing this. I clicked on the exits. It was an old man's car. It has stains. It isn't perfect. The paint is perfect, but it will come back. He will be taking the stains out with the product in the scrub, because we will be scrubbing. Because I was scrubbing too. We will clean the glasses.
Scrub daddy.
Then we'll see what we will do. But for now, that's it. And he has an horrible format, so I will kill him. So now, cleaning this will be the worst thing. The camera. I told you I was going to clean. You can see because he stole the lantern. But I'm even cleaning the inside of the vents, so it gets literally perfect. I cleaned this dashboard. This is clean. Everything is being cleaned. The skyline was cleaned accidentally. Now we need to clean the roof, the door cards, and for now that's it. Yeah.
Okay guys, let's put the new shift off because this one is fucking trash, bro. Let's go.
Hey, it's a funny guy behind the camera now.
Small knife.
At least point a flashlight to it, you dumb idiot.
Feel it.
Up, check it out. It's not focusing up properly. Oh, no, I did. Shit. It's the most punk thing I've ever seen in a
It's
car.
the most wonderful time of the year.
I'm scared for my life right now. Perfectly. Yeah. Right guys, let's test it out. And that is the sound of a broken gearbox.
Out with the old. And in with the new. Let's get it. Okay guys, we're going to install the fire extinguisher now.
So, how you put it is, you take this off and you put this first, because it's tricky. I have put in mine, now I'll put in his. It was a pain in the ass and will be a pain in the ass, so yeah.
Okay.
Stop making cinematics, okay? I need it. Fuck.
Look at this.
My hair looks like shit, bro.
Take it.
Yes, yes. So now what I will do is do this special.
No, it's not.
So now what
You
I
can't
will
even
do is
tell.
just do this. Now you can see the pressure here, and it's easy to take off. Just tap and take it off.
That's it guys.
Tell me.
The fuck?